what should be the value of A, right? This A value such that the straight line x plus y is equal to A will be a tangent to the circle x square plus y square is equal to 4. So, to know about this we require a diagram because a straight line given. So, this is my x axis, this is my y axis, right. So, x plus y is equal to A. When x is equal to 0, then y is equal to A. Put x is equal to 0 here, then y is equal to A. When y is equal to 0, then x is equal to A. Then how I can draw when x is 0, this is that point. 0 A point is this, right. This is A0, right. This is A0. Now this is that straight x plus y is equal to A, alright. Now this should be a tangent to the circle of radius 2 means this circle should be like this, right. X square plus y square is equal to 4 means this is a circle touching the origin. General form of circle you know, x minus h the whole square plus y minus k the whole square is equal to r square. Then hk 0 0, center is 0 0 and radius is 2, right. So this should be a circle like this, right. So what is the radius? 2. Then tangent and this radius will be perpendicular, right. So this is already you know, this length is A, this length also A. Then what should be this complete length? That is root 2A, right, Pythagoras theorem, right. Then if this is root 2A, what about this length? That is A by root 2, right. Now you can apply to find A value, A only they are asking, right. This 2 square plus this length square plus this is base square, this altitude square, that is root 2 by A whole divided by 2, that is A by root 2. A by root 2 the whole square equal to this length hypotenuse square, that is A square. That means 4 plus this is 4 is equal to, I can write 4 is equal to A square minus this is A square by 2, right. Then what is 4 is equal to A square minus A square by 2, again A square by 2, that means A square is equal to 8, then A is equal to 2 root 2, right, 2 root 2, alright. So option C is correct, right.